Well, hello Internet. About a month ago, my daughter and her boyfriend talked me into going to the first annual Wings and Wheels antique car and airplane show here at the local airport. They convinced me to go with them. I don't like crowds, but I went and I figured, well, if I go, I may as well do a photo shoot. So I wanted to take the smallest compact camera. I didn't have to want to worry about settings. I just wanted to take a small camera that was inconspicuous, and I didn't want to worry about settings. I just wanted to set it, set it and forget it. Of course, I've got my X-E4, my Fuji X-E4 with the 16-50 kit lens on it. I normally have this 35mm 1.4 lens on it, but if you look, the 16-50 is about the same size, maybe a little bit bigger, and it's actually quite a bit longer with the square lens hood on it. I love this lens hood. That's actually the lens hood off my 33mm f1.4 lens. That's perfect. So I took this and yeah, did a photo shoot. I mean, this little camera can basically do a pro-like photo shoot. I mean, I just put a strap on it, threw it around my neck. I set it on the aperture on f8, the ISO on 160, put the shutter on automatic, basically had a point and shoot. And this lens is sharp, especially at f8. I mean, it's razor sharp corner to corner. And yeah, I just shot everything there with this, and I'm going to put the pictures in the video and enjoy the pictures and talk to you later. Bye.